Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I went about replacing my air breather reed on my 2008 Polaris RZR. First, you're going to take off the breather hose. Then simply remove these two bolts with a 8mm socket. Notice how the part number here says reed with gasket. It doesn't actually come with the gasket you're going to need. It's just the black part that goes around the reed there. You're going to need RTV silicone or the actual gasket, which I show later. Here I am comparing the new one to the old one and quickly realizing I didn't see which way it was oriented. But eventually I figured it out. Okay, so here's the Permatex Ultra Black RTV silicone that I was going to use, but I quickly realized it was dried out, completely solid. So I put the part number for the actual part from Polaris right here. Okay, now you're going to torque the bolts that hold the reed on down to 20 plus or minus 5 inch-pounds. Then when you're done, put the breather hose back on, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to post any questions in the comments.